Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Vivo V30e. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo, and this is the little brother of the Vivo V30, and this phone is costing around 90,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. On the back we don't have any specification, and this phone is powered by new Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC, which is a 5G hardware, so this phone also support 5G. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Vivo V30e. Let me remove the plastic, and now let's remove the plastic with my hand. Again we have a black box which looks really premium, I would say. And now let's open this box. We have a matte box. So on the top we have our device, Vivo V30e. Now let's start the phone from this box. And guys, here is the green color looks like. As you can see, this phone looks really beautiful, I would say. On the back we have a matte finish, although the back is made up of plastic actually, and the frame it is made up of plastic. We have a curved back. On the back we have a dual cameras actually with a ring LED flash. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed. Vivo logo it is here, Vivo 5G. Now let's see what test we get. And then the phone, and the first thing, we have a soft silicone case. Also we have a warranty card as well as a quick start guide, and here's our charger. And guys, and this is a 44-watt super fast charger. Nice to see that we have a fast charging on this phone. Also we have our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable. As you can see, no hand-free inside the box. And lastly we have a SIM ejection tool inside the box. And now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as the SIM tray. And now also got the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a hybrid SIM slot. So yes, it is. We have a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with 1 nano SIMs or 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have another microphone and volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. It is on the right hand side. Again we have a plastic frame. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have a ring LED flash, and the camera bump, I would say it is really big on this phone as compared to other smartphones in this price range. And now let's talk about the display. This phone has a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with a center punch hole on the top. This one has a curved AMOLED display, and the bottom chain, even the side bezels, it is really small. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. Here is the first boot of the Vivo V30e. And now let's see the max brightness. This one has a AMOLED display. We have a 1300 nits of peak brightness, and the display looks really bright, I would say, which is a good thing. Here is the notification panel looks like. We also have gaming mode. And now let's see Android version. About phone, and this phone is running on Android 14 with the front touch OS version 14. Also we have a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC with 8 GB of RAM, as well as a 256 GB of internal storage. We have a 233 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. This one has a in-display fingerprint scanner. You can see on the fingerprint scanner speed, it works absolutely fast. And now let's look at the camera. Again, this phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main OIS with 8 megapixel ultra wide. So here's the main camera looks like, and here's your 8 megapixel ultra wide. And here's the portrait mode which is also available with the 2x, which is a digital zoom. And here's the night mode, and here is the video mode. And the back camera maximum shoot only 4K at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps. And with the back camera we also have ultra steady mode which give you a better video stabilization. Here is the micro movie feature. In the mode section we have a 50 megapixel mode, and here is the slow motion looks like. We also have pro mode. We also have a dual view video mode which uses the front camera as well as the back camera at the same time. Lastly we also have a super moon mode. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 50 megapixel selfie camera. So the front facing camera looks really good. It looks really sharp. So here's the night mode with the front facing camera, and here's the portrait mode. Here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size, and the front camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't have 4K support with the front-facing camera, and the slow motion it is not available with the front-facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And I will be making more videos about the Vivo V30e in the future, and stay tuned for that. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V30e. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.